Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Student Supportomatic. Like, share my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Matrices, problems on matrices. So today in this video we will solve some problems on matrices. Okay, so the first problem, in the matrix A, the given matrix A, 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, square root of 3, 1 minus 5, 17. This is a given matrix. So the problem is write the order of matrix, find the number of elements and write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. So we'll go for the solution of the problem. So the first part, the order of the matrix. So the order of the matrix is m by n. M by n, that is the m cross n. M is the number of rows and n is the number of columns. First we will write the number of rows. So the number of rows is what? 3. So here 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 35, 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1 minus 5, 17. These are the rows. So then how many rows are there? There are 3 rows. Okay, so the number of rows m is what? 3. So number of columns is equal to 4. So 235 root 3 and 5 minus 2 1, 19 5 by 2 minus 5 minus 7 12 17. These are the columns. So how many columns are there? 4 columns are there. So the order of the matrix m by n is equal to what? M is 3, n is 4. So 3 by 4. So the order of the matrix is what? 3 by 4. So now we'll do the second part, that is number of the elements. The order of the matrix is finished. Now the number of the elements in the given matrix. So the second is the number of elements in the given matrix. We will just continue the same path uh, to get the number of the elements. So here when we count the number of the elements in the matrix, it is 12. Okay, but here easily we can write it as the product of the order of the matrix. So the number of columns, number of rows is 3 and number of columns is 4. So 3 fours are 12. So we can easily write it as a product of the order of the matrix. That is the number of elements of matrix A is 12. Now we'll go for the third part of the problem. That is, write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. This is the third part of the problem. Here we have to write the element in the given position. That is, A13 means we have to write the element in the 1, that is the first column and first row and third column. The first number always indicates the row element, row place, and the second number always indicate the column place. So the 1 is the first row, 3 is the third column. So second one, A21 is the second row, first column. Similarly, we have to write the element in the given position. Okay, so let's solve this. So write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. Okay, the solution is, the first element is what? A13. That is the first row and third column. What is that? That is 19. Okay, the next one is the A21. That is the second row, first column. The number is what? 35. And the next one, A33, third row and third column. That is what? Minus 5. And next is A24, second row, fourth column. What is that? 17. Sorry, 12. It is second row, fourth column, 12. And the next one is the A23. That is second row, third column, 5 by 2. So here always the first element, the first number indicates the row element, row number, and the second number indicates the column number. So we will get the position by the numbers. 2, 3 means second row, third column. That element is what? 5 by 2. So this is the first problem. Let's we go for the next problem. Here is the second problem. The problem is, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? So here in this question there is two parts. But first we will solve the first part. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? Okay, the solution is, if a matrix has 24 elements, then in the first problem, in the second section, I told, in the second part of the first problem, I told that we will get the elements of the matrix just by getting the product of the order of the matrix. So similarly here, the product of the order of the matrix is 24, and we have to write that product elements, means we have to write the factors of the 24. We have to write the two numbers whose product must be 24. So there are many possibilities that we will get the product as 24. So we will write all the possibilities. Okay. So in that, the first one is 1 by 24. It means what? One row and 24 columns. So there is a possibility of arranging the 24 elements in one row and 24 columns. That is like this. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 up to A24. So all are columns and arranged in a single row. So it is what? 1 by 24. This is the first possibility. So let's see the next one. 2 by 12. That is 2 12s are 24. It means the 24 elements are arranged in 2 rows and 12 columns. That is like this. So A11, A12, A13. So 1 indicates the row number, and next 1, 2, 3, that indicates the column number. As last 3 elements I just indicated in yellow color, that is the column number. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, that is the column number, and 1, 1, 1, that is the row number. Okay, so A11, A12, and the second row A21, A22, A23 up to A212. So the 24 elements are arranged in 2 rows and 12 columns. This is one possibility. Okay, so now we'll go for the third possibility. 3 by 8, that is 3 8s are 24. Okay, so it means what? The 24 elements are arranged in 3 rows and 8 columns. That is, the elements, 24 elements are arranged in 3 rows and 24 columns. Means each row is having 8 elements. A1 to A11 to A18, A21 to A28, A31 to A38. Okay, so we will see the next possibility here. It is a 4 by 6. It means the 4 rows and 6 columns. The possibility of arrangement of 24 elements in 4 rows and 6 columns. That is A11 to A16, A21 to A26, A31 to A36, A41 to A46. That is a 6 elements in each row. Now we will see the next possibility. 6 by 4. Now it is by 6 rows and 4 columns. That is like this. 6 rows and 4 columns. So A11, 12, 13, 14, A21, 22, 23, 24, 31, 32, 3, like that. It is up to 61, 62, 60, 64. Means each row is having the 4 elements and totally 6 rows. So 6 by 4. 6 fours are 24. So now we'll see the next arrangement. That is 8 by 3. 8 by 3, 8 is a 24. So 8 rows and 3 columns. Like this. It is having the 8 rows and 3 columns. 12 by 2. That is 12 rows and 2 columns like this. 12 rows and 2 columns. And the last one, 24 by 1, that is the 24 rows and 1 column like this. So these are the possibilities of the order of the matrix that's having the 24 elements. Now we will go for the next part. What if it has 13 elements? If a matrix has 13 elements, the possible orders of the matrix are, now we have to see the we have to get the 13 as a product element. So it is a possibilities only two, because 13 is a prime number. We will get the 13 in only two possible cases. That is, one is as a 13 ones or else 113s. So it means what? The possible orders are either it is 1 by 13 or 13 by 1. Is 13 by 1 or 1 by 13. It means what? 13 rows, 1 column, or 1 row and 13 column. Okay, got this? So this is the second problem. Now we'll go for the third problem. So if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 5 elements? This is the same type of problem as a previous problem. So solve it. Here 80, we will get the 18 as a product element in many cases. So list all the cases, that is the possible orders of the matrices, and 5 is also a prime number, so we will get only one possibility, two possibilities, that is 5 ones or 1 5s. Okay, so this is the same kind of problem. Solve it by yourself. Now next problem. So construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2, and the second Aij is equal to I by j, and third one is the Aij is equal to I plus 2j, its whole square by 2. Here we have to write the elements of the matrix and we have to calculate the elements by the given expression. Okay, and the order of the matrix is what? 2 cross 2, 2 by 2. It means what? It is having the 4 elements. We have to calculate the 4 elements. Let's see the solution. So here solution is, we have to write the matrix A, that is equal to Aij, that is 2 by 2 matrix. So 4 elements are what? A11, A12, A21 and A22. So Aij is equal to I plus j whole square by 2. It's given formula, given expression. Now first we will calculate A11. So A11, I value is 1, j value is 1. So we have to substitute this I value and j value in place of I plus j. So I value is 1, j value is 1. So 1 plus 1, that's whole square, means it is 2 square by 2, which is equal to 2 square is 4, 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. And the next is A22. So I value is 1 and j value is 2. So we'll substitute in place of I as 1, in place of j as 2. So 1 plus 2, that becomes the 3, and 3 square is equal to 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. Now the third element is A21, that is 2 plus 1 its whole square by 2, which is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 square by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2. And similarly, the next element is A22, that is 2 plus 2 its whole square by 2, that is equal to 4 square by 2. A22 means I value is 2, j value is 2. So A22 is what? 4. 4 square is equal to 16. 16 by 2 is equal to 4. So the matrix must be A11, A12, A21, A22. So we will substitute the values here. A11 is 2, A12 is 9 by 2, A21 is 9 by 2, and A22 is 4. So this is the matrix. So now we'll see the second part. So here the second part is Aij is equal to I by j. Aij is equal to I by j. So first A11 is equal to 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. And similarly next A11 is a 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. A12, I is 1, j is 2, it is 1 by 2. A13, sorry, here it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. A21 is equal to I value is 2, j value is 1, so 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Now A22, that is 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Now matrix A11, A12, A21, A22, that is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 2 and 1. Now it's having the third part is Aij is equal to I plus 2j its whole square by 2. So the third part is Aij is equal to I plus 2j its whole square by 2. So this is the similar to the previous one. So I plus 2j its whole square by 2. You can easily calculate A11 by substituting the I value and j value as 1 1. 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. That is 3 square by 2. That is 9 by 2. It may be the answer. And A similarly calculate A12, A21 and A22 and substitute this value in place of the matrix elements A11, A12, A21 and A22. So you can easily solve this, so but do it by yourself. So we'll see the next problem. So construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. Those elements are given by Aij is equal to 1 by 2 mod minus 3i plus j, and Aij is equal to 2i minus j. So here in the first part it is using the mod minus 3i plus j. It means if you get the negative value, just ignore the negative sign and use it as a positive value. And similarly in the previous similar to the previous problem, just solve it by yourself. Okay.